Hey, this is Steve from Sparky's Garage. Today we're going to finish up on the Mallory Ignition upgrade on our Flathead here. We already got the distributor put in, but now we're going to go ahead and make some custom spark plug wires. And then we have a Mallory chrome coil that we're going to put on, and also we're going to put on a resistor for the distributor so it gets the proper voltage. So let's start by changing out the coil, and then next we'll start laying out spark plug wires. Alright, so I removed the old coil and I got the new coil. This time I remounted it to a different location using one of the pre-existing holes. I've always been kind of told that an oil-filled coil is not supposed to be turned on its side or upside down, so I always turn them straight up. So I went ahead and just remount it so it's sticking straight up. Then I got the ballast resistor right next to it, and then I'll go ahead and wire this hot wire to the ballast resistor. Ballast resistor go over to the positive side of the coil, and then we'll also put a ground on there. Yeah, so let's get going. Alright, got our instructions out. So we're going to go off of this one here. So you can see the key power from the vehicle is going to go to the resistor, the ballast resistor. Other end is going to go to the positive side of the coil. Then we got a red wire that's going to go to the ballast resistor also. So it's pretty straightforward. Alright, this wraps up the wiring for the coil. So you can see we got our power in to the resistor. Here's the power wire that could have come from the distributor. Here's the other side of the resistor. This is going to go to the positive side of the coil. And then you're going to have the negative, which is this green wire that goes back to the distributor. And then the only thing I got to hook up right now is the ground, which will go right here to this pull hole that I will drill out later on. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and lay out the spark plug wires. This is a universal set, so I'm going to have to make my own boot ends. Alright, got the spark plugs, wires to say, all kind of laid out. I marked them all. And I got them all marked with a Sharpie. And I'll go ahead and just cut them, and then I'm going to have to put the terminal ends on. But kind of got it laid out. Alright, all the wires are all done. They're all run to the crab cap. Got this side all done. We got the coil on it upright. Next, let's go ahead and hook up the ground and fire this thing off. Alright, everything's on. Kind of just triple checked everything. We're going to see if this thing lights off. Reconnecting the battery. Quick disconnect. She's alive! Starter's really noisy on this car due to that it's still a 6-volt starter on a 12-volt circuit. Seems happy. Well, that concludes this install on a full Mallory Ignition on a Flathead Ford V8. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.